Welcome or welcome back to Cooking with Frenchy. Cooking and baking made easy. This week, in this video, I'm going to show you how to save a little bit of money by breaking down your own chicken. So what do we mean by break it down, the chicken? It's to actually debone your chicken to remove the flesh out of the carcasses. This is going to save you a lot of money. It's only take 5 to 10 minutes. Imagine if you feed a family of 4 and you're buying chicken breasts are about $10–12 a kilo on average, which means 4 breasts or kilo of breast or 800 grams of breast. It's about $10 to feed the family. However, if you buy a chicken, which is about $4 a kilo, a whole chicken, and you break it down, you can feed the same family by buying a chicken about $8, but on top of that you have breasts, legs, and the carcasses. With the carcass or the bone frame or the frame of the chicken, you can actually make a beautiful broth or stock for any sauce or soups you would like to have later. So little skills to learn for a lot of saving. So I see you after this. So here we got our beautiful chicken. It's about 2 kilos. Look at this, a beautiful little baby. As I mentioned earlier, the beauty of buying your whole chicken and deboning, it's you can save a lot of money and use the bone or the frame of the chicken to make a beautiful chicken broth or chicken stock. First thing to know is the anatomy of your chicken. You got your legs, and here you got your wings, and here you got the nice breast. The back of the chicken, and the other side. A little bit of juice, that's fine. What I'm going to do first is actually to remove one side of the chicken and then the other side after. So using a small and sharp knife, I'm going to do an incision, so a little cut on the backbone here of my chicken, and try to find that little bone. So just here, and just follow and work against the wishbone here, as you can see, and gently follow the frame of the chicken. Do it. You can cut through the skin here and here. You can see the breast filling, and here you got your bone frame. So just cut in the joint of the wing. Cut just behind the leg. And right between the bones. And you have your breast and your chicken wings. Now for the leg, what you do is you feel the articulation of the bone. So the leg bone is here, so you can feel it here. What you do is you dislocate the bone just by giving it a little twist. And here we have the best part of the chicken, that little, we call it solides. That's like a little fillet, beautiful. And we cut through the bone and against the frame. One side. You can do the breast first or the leg first. Before I did the breast, now let's do the leg. If you do the leg, pull the chicken a little bit and spread apart the skin. As I said at the back here, you get the joint of the bone, pop the articulation, and you should see the bone appearing just here. That means you can work away and just cut the skin around. Just cut through the joints and you have beautiful leg. If you're going to do the breast here, take the other side of the bone, gently and same, we work with the cartilage, we work against the frame of the chicken towards the wishbone, so here, and gently working against the frame, we remove the flesh from the carcasses. And here, as you can see, there's the joint. We're going to go through the joint and remove the breast. Remove the excess skin. And here we have a nice little carcasses and chicken breast. And this, the reason why you should do your chicken yourself, is, as I said, we're going to make a beautiful broth or beautiful chicken stock out of these carcasses, so we're not wasting anything from our chicken. Now if you wish to portion the chicken in 4 and keep the breast, or you could remove the tenderloin here. If you used to do in 4 and still keep the wings, if you want to remove the tip of the wing, just through the joint here and remove it. The good way to cut the chicken into portion is to put the wing back here and follow the angle. And you have 1 piece, 2 pieces. For the leg, find the joint here, right into it, leg. Remove the excess of skin. If you wanted, you could debone this for your thigh. Piper finally smelled the chicken. And you could remove the bone here. That's just an example. Scrape it off. And that's how you prepare your chicken thighs. Remove any piece of cartilage. Skin on. So remember, fill the joint right in the middle. Nice tenderloin. Remove the tip of the wing. Place the breast back in. And here we are. You have just learned how to break down a chicken. Thigh, breast, leg, breast, thigh, leg. Here we are. How to debone and break down the whole chicken. So I hope you enjoyed this little demonstration about breaking down your own chicken, and you're gonna go to the shop and try to practice that little skill. Don't forget, as usual, to subscribe, give me a like, follow it, share it to everyone, and learn a new skill. So see you next time for another little show in my kitchen.